In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Notion. This process is incredibly useful for keeping your workspace organized. Whether you're managing a project, compiling research, or simply looking to create a more interconnected web of information within your Notion setup. Let's dive in and break it down step by step. First, navigate to the Notion page where you want to insert the link. Once you're there, visualize where you'd ideally like the link to appear. This could be within a block of text, part of a checklist, or even in a database entry. Whatever the case may be, positioning is key for seamless integration. Now, to begin the linking process, type the @ symbol. You can do this anywhere within your chosen text block, or even start a new block if you prefer. Typing the @ symbol in Notion effectively tells the app that you're about to reference something important, in this case, another page. With the @ symbol in place, you can start typing the name of the page you'd like to link. As you type, a drop-down list will appear. This list is automatically generated by Notion and includes page suggestions based on the text you've entered. It's a smart tool that helps you find the exact page you're looking to link, reducing the risk of error and enhancing your efficiency. Continue typing until you see the page you have in mind listed in the dropdown. Take this moment to carefully review the options presented, especially if you have multiple pages with similar names. Selecting the correct page is crucial for ensuring that the link directs to the precise location you need. Once you've identified the correct page from the dropdown list, click on it. By doing so, Notion will immediately embed the link into your current page. At this point, your text will highlight and then transform into an interactive link to the specified page. It's a pretty satisfying moment because you've now created a direct portal from one part of your Notion workspace to another, making your information flow much smoother. And that's it. You have successfully linked pages in Notion, creating a bridge within your workspace that not only aids in navigation, but also enhances the cohesiveness of your content. Remember, this feature is not only practical, but also quite powerful, allowing you to weave a complex network of information that's custom-tailored to your workflow. Linking pages can make a significant difference in how you interact with your space in Notion. It not only tidies up your environment, but also enables you to build a robust framework for knowledge and project management. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of your Notion experience. Keep experimenting with the linking feature and discover new ways to foster productivity and efficiency.